Kill your opponents and claim victory. Aim true, Spartan.
Kill him. I want to kill him.
You're
I
quite
don't know why I
lethal
thought he
with
could pull it
that.
off. I mean, he grabbed the ammo.
S7 sniper
I'd
inbound.
already hit him twice. You got that guy? Oh, after you. Nice. They're nading us over here, though.
S7
Somewhere.
sniper available.
Ooh. They must have grabbed it, right? It's not out there anymore. I'm taking that to mean that they grabbed it.
Energy sword inbound. Not today, friend.
He's dead. No more nades.
Energy sword
Oh,
available.
mine. Wait, where? He has it? Oh. Ooh, look, they're down here. I'm about to mark more. I got the sniper guy. Let me switch this shit to mark right quick. B.
I think I see him in the corner over there.
I'm marking more now. I may not be dead accurate, but I'm gonna try. Got him.
Shot caller.
Target spotted.
Shot caller.
I'm marking this
Killing
shit now.
spree. Double kill.
Be proud, Spartan. Active camo inbound.
I want to get accurate with the mark though.
Enemy there.
Got him. Marked perfectly. Or, yep. They are lost.
Active camo available. Another one put down.
This game's probably over with. I don't know. Oh, Bernie.
Call.
Double kill.
Double kill.
Mark.
In my sight.
Killing frenzy.
Mark.
Target spotted.
Another one.
You're quite lethal with that. S7 sniper inbound.
I'm going up top to get this new one. Oh, he's out here.
S7 sniper available.
I'm out of ammo.
Not much
I'm out
ammo
of
left,
ammo, dude.
Spartan.
They're all right where we are. You got like two more behind you, bro. Good luck.
Halfway to
Yeah.
victory.
One guy on side right now.
Energy sword available.
You have a good team.
Shit.
Active camo inbound.
Oh, fellas.
Shot Spartan.
He's behind me. Chase me. Turn around.
Yeah, I see him.
Active camo available.
Oh, another one. Shooting somewhere.
Good shooting, Spartan.
Double
Ooh,
kill.
you saved my life there, bro.
Got you, dog. Up here.
So,
Missed it, but he's right there. Sword. Over here.
Enemy there.
Triple kill.
You're a machine, Spartan. A machine that produces victory.
What? Over
Target spotted.
here. No
scope.
scope.
A fitting commendation.
Where? Oh. I didn't see the mark.
Fuck me. 19-1. God damn, Tyler.
Not today, friend.
Killing frenzy. Double kill.
He's right above me.
Your ammo.
Oh, I got killed that.
Good shooting, Spartan.
Nearing victory.
Down there.
Literally out of ammo.
Active camo
You know
inbound.
what? No, I was looking for ammo. Got it.
I'm going corner.
Alright, I'm going over here for fine.
Active camo available.
This is he able to do.
I could have got his ticket at least. Behind me.
Oh,
S7 sniper inbound.
right here. He's below us. Ooh, shot.
S7
Dark
sniper
rifle.
available.
That's probably a bad move to do. Dang.
Thanks for the help. I thought it was
Energy sword inbound.
Alright, shot.
Enemy at that 7 sniper.
this far down. Another right there.
Energy sword available.
Victory.
Break on you when you have to
Double
pull it out.
kill.
What a fucking idiot.
No, I switched it in the last second.
Jack
25-1. I think it was getting posted.
I said, did you record?
Absolutely.
12-3. I didn't do bad, but 25-1.
They got handled.
Yeah, I only had 3 deaths because, like, for half the game, I was just the sniper around.
I think the mark made the difference.
The mark helps, though.
That's what
It helps everybody. It helps everybody.
So, do you see it automatically? You have like some here, you hear it?
I hear it, and
Perfect.
then I have to look for it.
Perfect,
So, yeah, I
perfect,
hear
perfect.
it.
But when it's green, when I do a good mark, it turns
It's
green.
If it's, like, white, if it's not on them, if it's on them, like, exactly, it's green.
Can you see their body at all or no?
No, you just see where the mark
Oh,
is.
right
So
on.
as soon as you mark them, like, they can move over here, all you see is the mark. Like, hey, they're in this area, you know?
Gotcha.
It doesn't track or anything. Perfect, I'll take it. Oh no, never mind, it's still in 3.